What makes the quality of fresh eggs and delicious chicken dishes that we enjoy every day? What is the secret behind every high-quality product that you often use? Join us on a journey to explore modern free-range poultry farming methods that I guarantee you have never seen before. Don't forget to like and turn on notifications to continue accompanying us in discovering new things in the coming time. Nesta Future is a revolutionary egg incubation concept on the farm, focusing on welfare chicken and sustainability. Sustainability has been developed to meet the increasing demand for safety, quality, and ethics in the poultry farming industry. Nestor promises a completely new approach to raising meat chickens. With this excellent system, you no longer need to invest in complex or expensive installations. The egg incubator is gently placed on a natural litter tray before hatching, allowing them to hatch naturally and peacefully. This process leads to healthier chicks and reduces stress and anxiety for mother hens. Hens hatch eggs directly on the farm, eliminating the need for time-consuming and costly egg transportation. This breeding model significantly reduces costs and increases profitability for poultry farmers. For farmers, this is a notable and exciting innovative solution to improve high-quality and responsible meat chicken. Next is the modern chicken farming system of Germany, an advanced and efficient model that prioritizes food safety and animal welfare. The country's agriculture has heavily invested in research and technology to develop a progressive and sustainable poultry farming industry. Chicken farms in Germany are often designed to high standards for the living environment of poultry. Automated lighting and temperature control systems create a warm, comfortable, and optimal environment for their development, while controlling this environment minimizes stress for chicks and potential health issues. Have you ever heard of this poultry species? The farming model before free-range chicken farming in South Australia is a typical example of natural and sustainable eggs. The production chickens are allowed to roam freely on fields or herbaceous areas, allowing them to move and forage naturally. This natural living environment helps enhance the health and welfare of poultry, bringing delicious and high-quality eggs. Farmers prioritize sustainability and environmental protection through organic methods and avoiding chemicals. This model brings value to customers in terms of egg quality and health, while supporting sustainable dyeing processes and agriculture practices. You can quickly move them anywhere you want. The location allows poultry rotation and better land recovery. These modern CPS chickens operate excellently, providing significant benefits to the health and happiness of poultry. Smart design ensures that chicks have enough natural light and ventilation to create an ideal living space. The automatic features of these mobile chicken farms have made chicken care and management much more efficient, making these mobile chicken reversals with superior features and unique advantages. It forms a sustainable platform and a model for advanced poultry farming, indeed the current model of poultry farming. There are smart, modern options to improve the quality and efficiency of raising chickens. Do you know how to make the most nutritious eggs from scratch? At Kipster, the revolution in egg production begins by creating an optimal living environment for poultry. Modern and unique chickens, the reversal design is focused on the welfare of poultry, living in a spacious, natural setting with enough room to move and enjoy sunlight. The intelligent ventilation system maintains a comfortable temperature and keeps the environment clean and pleasant. The Kipster egg production revolution changes the way chickens are raised and demonstrates a commitment to sustainability and society. Responsibly produced free-range eggs are produced according to free-range poultry farming models, not confined to cages, providing a natural and comfortable environment for poultry during egg production. Chickens are raised in spacious pens that allow them to move freely and exhibit natural behaviours that these free-range pens are designed to meet the health and welfare requirements of chickens. Chickens need space to search for natural food, bask in the sun, and enjoy natural feelings. These behaviours enhance their happiness and also provide the best egg products for you. That's all the latest news from the chicken farm. See you in the next news bulletin.